Hello, wonderful fourth graders. This is Mr. A, and in this video we are ordering fractions from least to greatest. I know that you, my fourth grader, can learn this skill, and I'm going to share with you a strategy that will make this a very easy task to solve. Okay, so let's say we have 1/12 and we have 3/10 and we have 2/5. Okay, so we have three different fractions. We want to organize them, we want to order them from the least to the greatest. So what does that mean? It means that we want to see which of these has less pieces or is missing more pieces versus which one has more of its pieces. I'll show you what I mean. Here's another way to think about it. So let's take 1/12. We're going to model 1/12. So here's our whole. Okay, this whole was partitioned into 12. So I'm going to draw 12 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Let me see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I have 12 pieces. How many of those 12 pieces are there? 1. So I have 1/12. Okay? Now I'm going to draw another whole. It has to be the same width as the first one, so we can compare them and see which fraction has more of its pieces. So the second fraction is a whole that is broken into 10th. So I have to draw 10 parts. Okay, so it has to be thicker than 12, so I'm going to go maybe here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let me double check that I broke it into 10 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. How many of those tenths do we have? We have 3. So I'm going to write 1/10, 2/10, 3/10. So looking at those two fractions, the 1/12 and the 3/10, which one is missing more? Which one has the least of the pieces? The 1/12, right? The 1/12, we have only 1 out of 12 pieces, but the 3/10, we have 3 out of the 10. Right, so the second one is missing less than the first one. Okay, we're going to draw another whole, and it has to be the same width as the first two for our 3/5. So fifth, that's more bigger than a tenth. So let's say here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 pieces. My whole is partitioned into fifths. How many are available? 2 pieces. 1/5, 2/5. So which fraction is the smallest? the 1/12, right? So the 1/12 is my least. My 3/10 is in between 1/12 and 2/5. So this is in the correct order. How lucky we are, right? Okay, let's try a different problem. So we're using models. We're thinking which fraction has more pieces, and that's the one that's going to be the greatest. And the fraction that has few of its pieces, that's the least. Okay. So let's say we have 7/9, 8/11, and 5/14. Okay. So we're going to use the same strategy that we did for the first problem. We're going to draw a hole. Okay, so we're working with the first fraction. How is this hole partitioned? How was it broken? Into ninths. It was broken into ninths. So I'm going to break this into 9 equal pieces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It was a hole that had all the pieces. It was full, but now it has 7 only. 1/9, 2/9, 3/9, 4/9, 5/9, 6/9, 7/9. It's missing 2/9. Okay. All right. Let's draw the second hole for our next fraction. Our next fraction is 8/11. 8/11. So let's partition our hole into 11, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, I made a mistake. See, like this is too big. I'm gonna try again. It's okay. And that's why you use a pencil, right? I'm using a pen so you can see better on the camera, but you, my student, you're gonna use a pencil so you can erase your work. Okay. So let's try one more time. I'm gonna make them wider. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, it's still not perfect, but I think it's good enough. Alright, so we want 8 pieces of 11s. We have only 8. So 1/11, 2/11, 3/11, 4/11, 5/11, 6/11, 7/11, 8/11. Okay. Alright, then I'm gonna go with my next one. My next one is 5/14. So I'm gonna draw my hole. Am I going to partition it into fifths? No, I'm gonna partition it into 14th. That's the denominator that tells us how the hole is broken into. So it's broken into 14 pieces. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. How many of those 14 are available? 5. 1/14, 2/14, 3/14, 4/14, 5/14. So it's missing 9 pieces. Okay, so which one is the biggest? We see that the 7/9 has more pieces and is closer to a hole than the 8/11, correct? And 9 is a bigger fraction than 11. So our biggest fraction is 7/9. That's our greatest. Okay, so I'm going to push 7/9 to the end here. Okay, and my least is the 5/14, right? So I'm going to put 5/14 here. So my middle fraction is going to be 8/11. Okay, so I hope this video is helpful, and as always, you can ask me on Google Classroom or in class if you have more questions or if you need more help. Thank you for watching this video.